What are derivatives in crypto? Beginners must know. What is inheritance? A derivative is a financial contract between two or more parties based on the future price of the underlying asset. Financial derivatives are widely discussed when it comes to the crypto industry, especially regarding futures contracts for Bitcoin or altcoins. It should be noted that derivatives are one of the oldest forms of financial contracts on the market. The history of this type of deal can be traced back to ancient times. In the Middle Ages, derivatives were used to facilitate trade among traders who traded across Europe and participated in periodicals, an early form of the market in the Middle Ages. Why would a trader use derivatives? Derivatives are generally used to hedge risk or to speculate on the price of the underlying asset in the event of a change. What is the general form of the derivative? There are four main types of derivatives: futures, forwards, swaps, and options. Futures or forwards are similar types of contracts with only slight differences. Thus, futures oblige the purchaser to purchase the asset at a pre-agreed price on a specific date in the future. These futures are traded on exchange, and the contracts are, therefore, similar and standardized. As for forwards, this type of contract is more flexible and can be adapted to the needs of both traders. Since forwards are typically traded on over-the-counter exchanges, counterparty risk must always be taken into account. Where can I trade crypto derivatives? Crypto derivatives of various types can be legally traded on both traditional exchange and regulated crypto exchange. As per traditional exchange, Bitcoin futures are currently offered by the CME Group, as CBOE stopped adding new contracts in March. Meanwhile, in December, the Nasdaq stated it was considering launching Bitcoin futures in the first half, as cryptocurrencies are expected to gain more mainstream and institutional adoption. It is highly likely that more traditional players will soon be trading crypto derivatives. Are there any downsides to trading crypto derivatives? All trading strategies related to price fluctuations imply a certain level of risk, especially in combination with the lack of relevant regulations for the crypto derivatives sector. When it comes to crypto derivatives, the biggest risk that traders face is volatility. Prices can rise and fall at a speed that makes your head spin, and losses can increase substantially each time someone makes a trade on margin.